Welcome back to another review video. Today we've got something really interesting on the table, and it is this mini projector from Fatork. Thank you Fatork for sending me this product. Well, I've already unboxed it and tested this out, but let's do it again. So first of all, you get this quick start guide, and let me tell you, this projector also have 1 year of warranty, so that's a really nice thing. Then we have this user manual book, and here it is, Fatork mini projector. Looks really nice. We'll check it out in a bit. Then we have two boxes here. Right one contains a HDMI cable, a remote for projector, and a mini tripod just like the mini projector. And here the other box contains this charger, the charge projector. That's all for the box contents. Let's have a look at this little kit. I have used it for like 2 weeks, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts about this projector's quality, the battery, and the sound quality. To be honest, when I first unboxed it, I was shocked by the weight of this projector and the hand feel. It gives really premium feel, and in fact it is a premium projector and not that much heavy as well. The design is actually really good. I love these orange lines and overall pattern on this projector. This is front side where we have projecting lens, really small but projects more than enough quality and viewing angle. Here on left side we have this little knob to adjust focus. Then this rear side contains a USB port, an IR sensor for remote, a charging pin, and then HDMI port. This is the fan of projector here to cool this out. Then this place here carries a really good sounding speakers in it. Then here on the right side we get an audio jack to plug headsets or external speakers, and this is the power button here. And on the top of the projector we get multiple controls, and these are all touch controls. Let's turn it on. You see here the lights just got on and it is ready for action now. Let me attach my tripod with it, and then I'll show you how this thing works, and we will talk about the battery, speakers, quality as well. So we're gonna attach HDMI cable here to project my laptop. If your laptop doesn't have any USB port, then you have to purchase this converter. Let's connect this with my laptop. And here you can see, upon touching the controls, blue light turns on, and these controls are really sensitive and responsive. Now it's time to take a look at what this mini projector is actually offering, all the features and that stuff. So this is how the home screen actually looks like. We have movies, photo, music, and all these folders here on home screen, which are only accessible if you attach any USB with this projector. Let's go to the setup and see what we have in there. First of all, we have projection. This allows us to adjust the projection view according to the surface, whether it is in front wall or ceiling. Then we have keystone, where you can actually adjust and stretch the right and left sides as per your own choice, but it doesn't allow you to have full control on all of the four corners. We also do have brightness control here, which contains only 2 levels. Then Wi-Fi here, and you can connect Wi-Fi to mirror your iPhone's screen or another device which supports this feature. You can cast your iPhone with cable and wirelessly as well, but I would recommend you to do it with cable because wirelessly it is absolutely useless. And some other options for Windows below here. Here is HDMI option. Let's test this out. No matter whatever you are trying to connect with this projector wirelessly, it will be useless. At first it won't connect, and if it do by any chance, then it won't work properly. It will lag very much, so keep that thing in mind. Now I have already attached the projector with my Mac using HDMI cable, and it is working super smooth. I have set to this resolution because it was perfect for me to read text and all that stuff. Now let's play something to test out the speakers and video quality. It's all here in front of you. You can have an idea of what the quality actually looks like. It provides really good video quality when the video is shot all in daylight or in proper light, but this video here you can see is performing extraordinary. I was watching series, whenever there came something shot in dark or low light, I have to face a lot of shadows and high contrast issues. So that was the only thing in video quality where it was unable to handle this scenario. Rest assured, this is the best pocket monster I have ever seen. They have also named it Pocket Monster as it can fit easily in your pocket, but for sure Pocket will look like monster then. So it's time for my thoughts on this, and should you buy it or not. One thing that is missing from this projector is streaming applications like YouTube, Netflix or anything like that. At least they should have included a browser in it, but you get nothing like that, and still this projector costs you around $300. I had reviewed another projector on my channel which was about the same price, maybe a little lesser, but had YouTube, Netflix, even browser. Having these apps give you a little more freedom, like you can watch some stuff wherever you want. You don't always have to carry your laptop and HDMI cable with you, but Fatork doesn't want you to carry only the projector with you. Talking about the sound quality, then it's 10 by 10. I loved the sound experience of this projector. The bass and loudness both are good enough for a projector, especially for this kind of projector. And battery, they have claimed 2.5 hours of battery on one single charge, but I guess I was getting around 1.5 hours or something like that. So yeah, that's for the battery, but still 1.5 hours is really good battery backup. Now if you need this for entertainment purpose, then I guess you can go for another option like Viewcom, which I've already reviewed. You will get the video link in my description. But if you need it for professional or office use, like where it is kept once, it will be there for days, then this might be a good option for you. For traveling, you can go for Viewcom, and for home and office use, choose Fatork for sure. Fatork has better video quality and no YouTube and that stuff. That's why I won't recommend you to keep it for traveling. And as Viewcom have these options, you can grab that one to not carry the laptop always with you. That's all for the Fatork Mini Pocket Monster. Overall, I love this projector. The build quality, the video quality were impressive. Let me know if you need to know something else about this in comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.